Area enhancements and developments coming to the shore reflect the desire to attract new residents, expand the tax base, lure new industry, and provide higher paying jobs. Housing demands will need to be met in order to meet expanding populations. It's Friday, September 26, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner, reporting from the Eastern Shore office of Kinetic Realty. This is the weekly Maryland Eastern Shore report. Cambridge Harbor site development on the Choptank River is hoping for an early 2029 opening of a boutique hotel, and there are plans for both commercial and residential units that will transform the waterfront. Smith Island residents are now connected to a $2 million infrastructure, bringing high-speed internet to those remote residents and may enable many to work remotely at higher-paying jobs. This opportunity could translate into attracting new people to the area. Fellow, formerly known as the Arc of the Chesapeake, has set its eyes on various areas of the shore to bring affordable housing developments to meet the needs of low-income, fixed-income, seniors, and market housing, with several completed locations and new developments under construction. Dorchester County is home to a technology corridor that many are not aware of, and reminds me of how the tech corridor in Montgomery County's Gaithersburg began as an outlying location. Meanwhile, homes for sale on the shore right now remain close to last week's count, only rising by 1 to 2,252 units for sale. But the median price this report rose to a $415,000 list price. 140 more homes are poised to come to the market soon. Homes going under contract rose 13% to 213 units and are staying on the market 1 day longer at 35 days before a contract. The median list price is higher this report than last at $369,900. 158 homes settled at 96.2% list to sold ratio, with days before contract at 29 days and a median sold price of $394,500. Homes for lease remain at 141 units and at a median $2,250 per month. Got questions regarding your specific circumstances? Give me a call and let's talk. That's your weekly wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore report for Friday, September 26, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.